February 18th. Still waiting on one more radiator hose on this 335 industrial Ford. What I'm doing now is running through a RPM cycle, set these rings, muffler. I ran a bunch of parts washers through it, clean out some of that oil flow by out. Now I'm just vaporizing the parts washer. It sounds pretty good. Starts right up. Got a little bit of white smoke on startup. I don't like that I did not do the head. Of course, it's up to temp. She sounds pretty sweet. But anyway, back on the head. I think my valve guides or my valve stems were a little bit worn out of spec, and I'm getting some oil draining down when it goes to all for idle. Not blowing any white smoke when it's running. That kind of narrows it down to a valve stem or guide. I can deal with it. It's not that much. It's just enough to irritate me. I wish I'd done the head myself. It's not that difficult. So this is low idle. Sounds pretty sweet. Go ahead and bring it up. Max RPM. That sounds pretty good. So, I think we're good to go. A little bit of puffiness. That's diesel. I probably need to adjust the injection pump timing just a bit. And when we get my hose in, I'll call this one done. Thank you.